stunning, beautiful women we know wears this kind of makeup. This makeup suits us so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Today's makeup look is super easy, but it will make you look stunning. Classic smoky eyes, if you do it right, then it will make you look intimidating, stunning, super gorgeous, and it just a head-turning makeup look. Let's start the eye makeup first. I'm going to use this beige shade as transition and will blend it all over my eyes. At this point, I normally use a medium brown shade as it's a brown smoky eyeshadow. Today I will wear a dark red dress, so I am using a dark red shade to give that maroon red touch in my makeup. Using this maroon shade, start blending it in my crease. I am not building this red shade, it will be like a transition shade. Now the brown parts, I'm using this Anastasia Subculture eyeshadow palette and taking this warm brown shade. I'm going to pack this shade all over my lid. Blending the area where this brown shade and the previous red shade meet. So this part is the game changer for any kind of smoky eyeshadow look. You can use kajal or you can use gel eyeliner, even a liquid eyeliner, but I prefer gel eyeliner or kajal. You're going to use it as close to your lash line, not too much. First start with little bit, you can add more. I'm going to blend it with the brush that I use for the brown shade. Now grab your darkest brown shade, the chocolate brown, and place it right on top of the black base. Now blend it well. At this point you will feel like it is more black and less brown, so we are going with the first dark brown shade we used, this one. Blending it all over here. It's going to look a little messy, but that's the beauty of smoky eye makeup. I used a dark red shade. I'm going to retouch it. Basically, I'm going to make it look deeper and will blend it with the dark brown ones. I'm taking this maroon muddy shade, mainly focusing it on the outer part. Now blending everything together with a fluffy brush. You don't really need eyeliner for smoky eye makeup, but I just can't skip it. So I'm going to add a little winged eyeliner. Okay, so before winged eyeliner, this step is very important. You can't skip it. You can't do it properly on camera. Can you guys see the fallout? If you want smoky eyes, try doing the eyeshadow first, then the base makeup. Love this concealer. Let's move on to eye makeup. Blush is so perfect for this look. It will look so pretty with the red dress. It's like perfect balance of pink and peach. I will wear the outfit then do the lip because it just helps choose the right shade. This dress gives the dark feminine energy like I want for my makeup. Lining my lips first with the Beauty Glazed lip liner. Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Leo. This nude lipstick is from Revlon. Guys, Today I tried heatless blowouts with socks and the result is not how I expected, but I will try other methods. If you have dark hair, dark eyes, you have to try this makeup if you have not yet. It's very bold and it's chic at the same time. It's a timeless makeup look and at the same time unapproachable or intimidating. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.